That's it? We start? Oh, I remember last time we talked about from an idea to the invention, and now we are going to discuss prototyping the invention. Okay, now what we decided that our puzzle is in 3D printing, solid cube, and an app for website, not for website, for mobile, etc. And to link all of that, we have a patent, you know, it's got created. So first we look at how to prototype for 3D printing, okay? So we started by making cubes out of paper, you know, to identify the hinges and the whole thing. So that was done. Okay, that one is done. Next, we did something. Wow, look, with hinges, we simulate the hinges on paper, because before doing any prototyping on CAD, if you don't want to waste your time, do it on paper. Quite interesting. When that was done, we made one with, you know, the puzzle, made 3D printing. The problem, it was individual cubes, and these individual cubes, you see there, you know, it's an hinge with metal, you know, so it involves an assembly of this 8 cube, which is quite complicated. You know, it's this type of hinge. The hinge, you know, it's a paper clip. You know, it's nice hinge, paper clip. So we say, we have to do it differently. Maybe we could do it in one piece, but we are not sure. So, hey, these 2 cubes are hinged by an articulation made in one piece. Look at that. You know how clever the design was. So we said, okay, that was 2 cubes. Proof of concept, important. When proof of concept is done, you really try to do it. And that cube there, that puzzle, is made in one piece. The problem, you know, the articulation are very loose and etc. You could see how loose it is. So we had to redesign, and that's a problem. We have to redesign about 10 times. And after 10 times of redesign, finally, we made the cube in one piece, no assembly, on 3D printing. And it's available now on our website. You could buy in 10 colors. It's available. Okay, that's what we did, 3D printing. After that, we say, well, at the same time, we say, well, we have to make a solid cube. To make the solid cube first, we made one with, look at that, with hinges. Now, these hinges, you know, I guess they are good for a German tank, the way they work. They are really solid, etc. But it's made with full blocks of wood. And I guess you cannot weight it, but it's very heavy. So the idea came to do it differently. And, you know, this type of cubes made in China. And I open one, and that's empty inside. And what we do, we put some magnet, so the cube could stay together, okay, when it's done. And we made a prototype out of it. That's a prototype. So one day, if you are nice with me, I will solve it. I will solve the puzzle. You know, you see, it's okay. So, you know, it's nice articulation. The cubes stay together because of magnets, you know, they don't fall. It doesn't fall apart. It's really good. That's a solid puzzle. Now, what we did with the solid puzzle, we made a box also. And I don't have one there. I used to have one, but, you know, let me move it. It's this type of boxes. Okay, that's a box. And imagine that box bigger, and we put the cube inside that box. And in the box, we put a flyer explaining what the cube is all about. Now, as I said, we have 3D printing, we have the solid cube, and the next step was to do an application where you could solve the puzzle on the computer. And okay, you could see there, it's a type of Let me, I turn it. Okay, we have here, you could see the way it will be. You see there? Okay. So that's in production now. It's complex. It's not something easy to do. And as I said, the glue to put all of that together is a patent. Oh, a patent is something you could do it yourself if you are an engineer, as I am. I could do a lot of it on the patent. But to make a patent, I will just show you briefly what a patent entails. Look, all these drawings. Look at with numbers, with everything. That has to be done according to the legislation or the regulation or whatever. So don't copy it. Don't copy it. It's our patent, and that patent is with a text, and a 19 pages text explaining all these drawings and adding the claims of what we claim for in the patent. So it's quite a job to do. That was done, and that's all I want to share today. That was a prototyping for the invention. Next time, I will give you a glimpse of what is 3D printing manufacturing. And we'll see the whole object, the one you see on that table over there. Okay, we will detail that. That was all done by 3D printing, and all this object as the family of the Hypercube of Love puzzle. See you next time.